welcome to my channel. I appreciate your presence here. Please do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Facebook. On Facebook, people randomly tag you in posts. Sometimes you don't want to be tagged in this post because you just don't relate to the posts, or the posts are not pleasant enough, or due to one reason or the other, you just don't want to be tagged. But without prior notification, people randomly tag you in their posts because they relate to them. They feel you also relate to them, but that is not always the case. And the issue is that sometimes you might not get to Facebook early enough to delete this post before anybody else sees it. Probably it will take you some days to get to Facebook, and then by the time you get there, there's this post that you've been tagging for the past 2 days, and then people already got to see it. So what you're going to learn today will allow you to get to review Facebook posts that you are tagged in, and then if you find them good, if you find them interesting, or if you find them relatable, then you can get to allow them to be on your timeline. But if you don't, you just don't do anything about it and it doesn't appear on your timeline. So that's what you're going to be learning today. The Facebook function that allows you to get to review tags before permitting them on your timeline. As I was saying in my other video, sometimes when you apply for a job, they do a lot of background checks. You can decide to go to your social media and see what you are doing there, and they can, based on that, to filter you out. Okay, if they go on your, let's say, Facebook timeline, and then you have this post on there, and once the person tags you and appears on your timeline, it means you have something to do with it. It means you relate to it. It means it's something you agree with. Okay, so once the employer sees it and creates that conception about you, they may filter you out. So to avoid all these things, even just random people can just come on there and then view your timeline. They think something else about you, something that you are not, because of a post that someone tagged you in. It could really cause a lot of harm to your personal reputation. So because of this, Facebook has also made it possible to be able to review tags before they appear on your timeline. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we are here on Facebook. Let's click on the menu button at the right bottom side of the page, and then let's go to settings and privacy. Once we click on settings and privacy, we click on settings right beneath that, and then we come to this page, account preferences, audience and visibility. Under audience and visibility, you see profile and tagging. Let's go ahead and click on profile and tagging. Once we click on that, you scroll down, you see tagging, and we see reviewing. Tagging allows you to select the people you want to see your tags on your profile, like friends, everyone, friends of friends, and all that. And then reviewing allows you to review your tags before you allow them to come onto your profile for these people to see. So once you get to the review section, it says review posts you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Make sure that the review post you are tagged in button is on. Make sure it is blue. Once it's blue, you get to review posts other people tag you in before they appear on your profile. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you learned something from it. Hopefully now you can get to review your Facebook tags before they appear on your timeline, and I hope you are going to make good use of it. Please do want to subscribe to this channel to support it, and to also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be notified. I also do upload videos of TikTok challenges. Some challenges just pop up on TikTok. I also do tutorials on how to go about those editing with CapCut. I also be doing tutorials on how to use Canva for your YouTube videos, to use Canva for your thumbnails, how to use Canva for your subscription button, how to use Canva for a lot of things with your YouTube videos. So please do stick and stay for more videos like this on this channel, and please do want to subscribe so that you get notifications anytime I upload videos like this. Bye.